Hello English 1A students. I'm making this little video to just say what I said on the announcement and the email I sent you. I'm trying to improve my video recording skills. So I hope it helps. If not, just bear with me. I'll read it on the other one. So we're in third week. This is the third week. I'm sending this and giving it to you so you'll be able to prepare for the class meeting on Tuesday. Tuesday, March 1st, day after tomorrow, and also that you don't get behind in the class. So the first thing is come to the class with the short analysis paper number 1, unless you turned it in class last week. In case in that case it's fine. Turn it in with the draft that I marked. If you were in class last week, I put a little mark on it. You should have that paper, but also the final version of it that you finished at home. So bring them. If you weren't there, then just try to bring your one that you did at home. Remember, it's a handwritten assignment on paper, so don't turn it in on Canvas and don't even really print it. Just bring the handwritten, but edit it, make it look good and be readable. So that's a very important thing. Another very important thing is also to be prepared for the class by being prepared to start essay number 1 about Michael de Sousa's paper on Jacob Lawrence's paintings. So you should have both read the essay and studied the paintings. And it would probably be best to have a copy of de Sousa's essay in class so that you can work with it. That could be printed, or it could be on a device like a computer or another device. So those are the most important things. On Tuesday, however, I'll also discuss all of Module 3 with you. And if you're behind in the DLAs or anything else, then this would be a good time to get caught up. So try to do that, and I will see you on Tuesday. Thank you very much.